Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this camera lens protector. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this lens protector and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, this is the lens protector right here, and you'll notice over there on the left, these three circles here, it almost looks as if there's nothing in front of them, but there is indeed, if I catch the light right, you can see there is indeed a protective surface across those, protecting the lenses of a cell phone once you go ahead and apply it. Now, this is designed for a specific model of cell phone, so I highly recommend just double checking and making sure that your cell phone is compatible with this lens protector. But I did want to show you on the back, you just simply go ahead and peel this off, and there's kind of a little light adhesive surface there. You can go ahead and apply this to the phone, and I really like that it's nice and thick. Also, it offers quite a good amount of thickness to it, and before you actually apply it, they also provide you with a cleaning kit to go ahead and prep the surface so it's ready to be mounted and applied. But overall, I've been really impressed with this camera lens protector. I think it's nice and high quality, and for that reason, I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.